Hello friends! Today's video is a recipe for a very healthy and easy to make thoran using banana blossoms and cowpeas. If you like the video, remember to like, comment, and share. Welcome to all friends to a new video of Chef Joji. To prepare banana blossom thoran, a small blossom from a puvan banana plant was taken here. Half a cup of cowpeas were soaked in water, then well cooked. Now let's cut the blossom for the thoran. First, cut it lengthwise like this. Then cut it lengthwise again. Now turn it over and chop it finely. The first 2 or 3 layers of the blossom were peeled off and washed before being used. The blossom is now finely chopped. Now add water to it. After washing it in water, transfer it to a strainer. This is to remove the sap from the banana blossom. Now take a small mixer jar, take 1 cup of grated coconut, add a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Also add 4 pieces of small onions. Add 2 cloves of garlic. Add 1 green chili. The amount of chili can be increased or decreased according to your spice preference. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add the required salt for the thoran. Now use the mixer to crush it without adding any water. Now a clay pot has been placed on the stove to prepare the banana blossom thoran. When the pot is hot, add about 1½ tablespoons of coconut oil. When the oil is hot, splutter half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds have spluttered, add 2 dry red chilies and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Now add the finely chopped banana blossom. Mix it well. Add the cooked cowpeas. Mix it well again. When the cowpeas were boiled, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt was added. So be careful when adding salt to the thoran. Now pile the mixture up in the middle of the pot. Add half a cup of water. Now cover it and cook it on a slow flame. After 5 minutes, open it, mix it well. The banana blossom is now half cooked. Now add the crushed coconut. Mix it well. Pile it up again in the middle of the pot. Cover it and cook it. After about 3 minutes, open it. Now mix it well. The water has now evaporated completely. The thoran is now well dried. At this time, sprinkle about 2 teaspoons of raw coconut oil on top. Doing this will give the thoran a wonderful traditional taste. Mix it well again. Now this very healthy thoran made with banana blossoms and cowpeas is ready here. Banana blossom thoran is a thoran that can be made very easily. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, remember to like, comment, and share. If you are watching this channel for the first time, remember to subscribe and follow the page. Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page have a lot of old videos, so try to watch them. So a new video will be coming soon. Until then, bye-bye.